When I looked in the market, I had different codes, different names, and me and my wife, I think we picked the right product, high-tech energy windows. Me and my wife, we visited the head office, and there they were very helpful to us. You know, the owner, she was there, and she helps me and my wife picked the right design for our home. Well, one of the reasons I picked high-tech, it's a family business and something I can trust. And the windows I have, it's windows with the perimeter grill, and it makes my house looks really, it's a beautiful house. And now I'm not even thinking about selling my house. I was doubt, but now I have the right windows. Me and my wife, my kids, my two kids were very happy, and right now I'm trying to recommend it to my friends, my family, and my colleagues. And matter of fact, one of my colleagues went and he bought a window from them, and he was very happy. And people keep asking me about what I work, and I'm really recommending that to my friends, my colleagues, and also the service of the installers. They were amazing when they were there. They installed the windows. I didn't see no mess, nothing, and then they were waiting for me till I get off work, and when I get there, they were making sure I am happy with the products. They installed the casing inside. It's free service. You don't have to paint it, so I don't have to worry about that. And you know what? And guess what? And also I'm saving getting outside cleaning the windows. I was able to clean the window from inside, so I currently operate it also. We can put our hand through and we can clean the windows from inside the house. Well, I used to take a step ladder and get out there and try to, you know, it's a hazard, really. I mean, try to get and clean the windows. Oh, I like those egress hinges. They're so awesome to use in windows. My awning window is the same thing. Our awnings lift like that, same thing. I put my hand and I clean it. My windows always looks clean. And my house looks like a $1 million house right now with those windows. It's amazing, and thank you very much to High Tech.